מולים זה nas, udelnikal getaj svetoj imši, kap mi čerpali radost za tajemnicou odkuplenia. Molim se za studentov, jaki zdajú exameny, kap znajšli pratu odpowiedniu i padritovky i interesam. I decided to pray in Belarusian because when I became an altar boy, I thought it was important to learn to pray like everybody else who was partaking in the Mass. And I learned most of the prayers from the internet. In certain areas where I found difficulty, the priest helped me. I'm really pleased about it, and it has been one of the greatest pleasures of my life to come and serve here almost every day.